A thirsty crow. Once upon a time, there was a crow. It was very thirsty. It flew about in search of water. But it could not find it anywhere. At last it saw a pot of water in a garden. But the water was too low in it. Its beak could not reach in it. It saw some pebbles near the pot. It got an idea. It picked the pebbles one by one and dropped them into the pot. Thus, the water rose up. It drank the water and flew away happily. Moral: necessity is the mother of invention. Subscribe for more videos.